Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix PS5 error code WS-116332-6 PS5 console access prohibited or temporarily unavailable. Fix 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Open the PlayStation Network status page and check if PSN services are down or under maintenance. And wait until Sony restores the service if an outage is reported. Fix 2. Restart your PS5 and router. Turn off your PS5 completely and unplug your router/modem for about 60 seconds. Now turn the router back on and wait for the internet connection to stabilize. And start your PS5 and try signing in again. Fix 3. Test your internet connection. Go to settings, from there go to network, then go to connection status, then go to test internet connection. Now verify that both internet access and PlayStation Network sign-in succeed. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Fix 4. Update PS5 system software. Open settings, then go to system, then go to system software. Now select system software update and settings. Uninstall any available updates and restart the console. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.